Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and today, since I just did a video curling my hair and showing you like this flipped up style, I was kind of feeling the 60s vibe. So I am wearing my 60s dress. Actually, it's a dress from the 1960s. I even have one from the 1970s I pulled in here, but it just didn't look quite right with the hair. So let me stand up a little bit. So it has this beaded detail, and it has these big, beautiful sleeves. So after the makeup look is done, I will come outside so you guys can see the full outfit and hair and makeup and everything. So I remember when I was growing up, I enjoyed my mom used to talk about Twiggy a lot, and so I used to look at a lot of her makeup looks and stuff back in the day with the bright bold and white and silver lids, and either a nude lip or a bold red lip, and she had the pixie haircut. So of course I don't have the pixie haircut. I hate that style on me particularly, but I went ahead and did blush, bronzer, highlight, and lip. I'm going to be doing an eye look inspired by Twiggy to go with this outfit. I am going to be using the Zodiac Love Signs, which is what you guys voted on for this week, and there is this like bright blue shade right here that I'm going to be trying to tap into. I picked up some Aries on my hand as well. So what I plan on doing is probably using the Scorpio shade from the matte Scorpio shade, which is like this white shade here. I'm going to be probably using this all over my lid, or all over my, like from lid to brow bone, and then using this on my lid and maybe throwing in some glitter. I might even throw in like the Aries pink in the crease a little bit. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to try and find some 60s style music to go along with this video so that you will see the makeup look, but you'll be listening to music that is reminiscent of the era if I can find it. And then I'm going to be doing really big, bold lashes. Thankfully, I have a lot of lashes, but I did pull a pair of lashes to wear with this look, so hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and get started with my makeup look. So first I'm going to start off with the Scorpio matte shade, and I am using a Royal & Langnickel Moto Pro angled brush that I got from an Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm literally taking that from lash line to brow bone. It is a light white shade with a pink undertone to it. I then take the Capricorn matte shade, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush to apply that all over my actual lid. I do have there's a difference in my lid between a mobile lid and the actual lid. I do have two creases on my eye. And I wanted to make sure that I copied something similar to what Twiggy used to wear back in the days when she was modeling. Sometimes she did bright blue looks, sometimes she did blue and pink looks, sometimes she did silver and white looks. So I wanted to capture what she used to do with these colors. I'm then taking the Aries Shimmer shade on the Vasanti brush that I got from last month's Ipsy Glam bag. And it is a shimmer shade, and I did put it in my crease. And that is actually my natural crease that I am putting color in. I just wanted something that was reminiscent of the makeup styles that she used to wear, which was basically one bold color on like the lid and then something bright and light on the actual brow, you know, the underneath the brow bone or in the crease in order to highlight that area. I then took the center shade and tapped it on with a flat synthetic brush and then ran over it with my finger. I am using a Luxie brush. I just watched myself stab myself in the eye like 3 times with this brush. I swear, it never fails. I always end up stabbing myself in the eye with a makeup brush daily. Whenever I do makeup and I'm doing my lower lash line, I always end up with, you know, stabbing myself in the eye with the brush. And then I'm running back over that with the Vasanti brush and just a little bit more of that Aries shimmer shade, and then popping some of the center shade in the corner of my eye. And then any like particle flecks that fell out on my face, I am trying to get those off. That's the little setting brush that I use to put powder on underneath my concealer and corrector. I don't usually wear foundation when I put makeup, you know, when I do makeup. This is the L'Oreal Infallible liner in white that I'm putting in my waterline. This stuff is the bomb. It stays on my itchy, watery, allergy-prone eyes like a trooper. I can put this on and 18 hours later still have white eyeliner on in my waterline. This stuff is amazing. Then I went and tight-lined my upper lash line with the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I got that from like an Ipsy Glam bag as well. And I went oops and got a little on the outside edge of my eye. And then any transfer from the top waterline to my bottom waterline where I had the white, I just tapped over it with my finger to kind of pick it up on the edge of my finger in order to get it off the white, because I wanted the distinction between the white and the black. And I had found that if I put the black on first and then I put the white on, it's kind of like, it makes like a gray shade. So I found that doing the white first and then the black seems to help out. And then if I need to, I can always run back over it with the white. And I'm only doing my bottom lashes here right now because, number one, my mascara that's from Maybelline, it's called the Falsies Washable Mascara. It's starting to dry out. I have had this for about a year. I did just pick up a new version of the Falsies Mascara to test out when I finally move this one into the trash where it belongs, when I'm not able to use it for mascara anymore. But I'm working it on my lower lashes first, because then I'm coming in with the Ico London. This is the Black Magic liner. This is a brush tip liner. It is a flat black matte liquid liner. It is very similar to the Kat Von D liquid liner for the tattoo liner that she has. I do have that one as well that I got in a Sephora Play. But the difference is this liner is matte, whereas the Trooper liner is like shiny. When it dries down, it stays shiny. So I wanted to do a wing here. Now Twiggy used to do very big, extravagant, bold black wings. But because I have downturned eyes and I have partially deep set eyes as well as hooded eyes, wings on me have a tendency to look like funny looking J's unless I angle my head and turn my head to the side and slightly close my eyes. No matter what I do, I've even tried like the tape method, I've tried using a business card, trying to get like the perfect wing. But due to my eye shape, every time I open my eyes, I always end up with that funny little J looking flick, and either I'm just not meant to wear winged eyeliner that looks like anything but a J, or I don't know, I need to go to like an actual professional makeup artist. Granted, yes, I did go to school for this, but that was like over 2 decades ago, and we only briefly touched on makeup. Really, the only makeup experience that I have is doing like prom and homecoming and bridal makeup in the salon setting. And I've done some bridal makeup outside of the salon setting, but for the most part, I didn't do like any extravagant looks, and nobody ever asked for wing eyeliner. So wing eyeliner was not a thing when I was working in the salon industry. And now I'm coating my top lashes. I am going to be putting on lashes that are from Kiss Lashes using the Kiss Lash Adhesive. And I had a difficult time trying to get the front corners to stick down on both eyes. I don't know if it, and I think I've worn these lashes maybe once or twice. So I don't think it's the lashes. I think it might be my lash glue. I'm trying to find another one. But every time I go to the store, no matter what store I go to that sells the Kiss Lash Glue, they're always sold out of it. So I am trying to make do with what I have. The tube isn't empty, it's not working as well as it used to. And it is for like sensitive eyes. It is latex and formaldehyde free because I'm allergic to both of those. So trying to find a lash adhesive that is both of those free, it's hard because even Duo doesn't make. They make one that is latex free, but they don't make one that is latex and formaldehyde free. And if you notice, when I apply lashes, I do pinch my lashes together with the actual false lash, and then I push the band towards my lash line to get it to adhere to my eyelid a little bit better. And I'm just brushing through it with a regular spoolie, and then I run back over a couple of spots on my eye for a liner to make sure everything looks the way that I want it to. I'll zoom you back out, and that is what it looks like. again, if you look, it looks like funny J's until I turn my head at an angle, and then you can actually see it looks like a nice wing when my face is angled, but like when I look at you straight on, it looks like a funny J. This dress is from the 1960s. It is like 97% polyester. I do live in Florida, and it was about 90 degrees when I was trying to do these pictures and video outside for the look, and I tell you what, I was sweating my butt off. This dress is super hot. Nobody ever warned me how hot polyester was. Now, granted, the dress is a size large. I could probably get away with a medium or small, but it was just something that I had in my collection that somebody had given me, and I love the sleeves on it. Some people call them bell sleeves, but it made me almost feel like a butterfly in this dress. And here I am up on the roof. I feel like I can fly. Again, if I try and sing that, I'll probably get copyrighted. And then getting down off the roof, I did some videos so that way you could see my eye look and my hair. I did do a hair tutorial that will go up on my other channel very soon. So hopefully you guys enjoy this makeup look. Hey guys, so I had to actually come up on the roof, which actually is burning my feet. Let me come in the shadow of the chimney. This way you can see the makeup outside. And I did some outside shots of my dress, but as I'm on the roof, it is sloped. So I'm going to turn the camera around and walk along the ridgeline of the roof and let you guys see the actual dress and the hair. The hair is, well, I really like how everything turned out. Now, back in the 60s, they wore more of a matte red lip. I threw on the L'Oreal Color Riche and Glossy Garnet, but it's the only red I had in my Shop My Stash for this week, or for this month. So let me turn the camera around, seeing as though I'm not going to be walking on the roof very long. The roof is really hot and I'm barefoot, so it's really hot. So anyways, this is the finished look and my 60s style dress. Actually, it is a 1960s dress. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Like I said, I do have a 70s era dress that is red that I can do a look with if you are interested in that. I'll bring the camera down a little. I had to run into the shade because my feet were on fire a minute ago, so I'm a little out of breath. But if you guys like this 60s inspired makeup look and outfit, I do have I have some, oh gosh, 1920s style dresses, and I have the 1970s dress. I even have like a Renaissance style dress. I've got steampunk stuff. So if you want to see a makeup look inspired by a specific time period, and if I have an outfit for it, I will be more than happy to do it. So please leave a comment down below. I will leave a poll in the cards. Let me know if you want me to do more era inspired makeup looks, especially with my hair short. There's a few more eras that I can do while my hair is short. So anyways, I will see you guys later. I am Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.